How to add a light beam transition in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up the Capcut application on your device and select a project that you want to add a light beam transition to. So here you can see this one short video over here. Now to create a transition, what you need to do is split the video. Now for example, if I'm gonna split the video over here, I just have to select on the edit option over here at the bottom of the screen, then tap on split. Now as soon as I tap on split, you'll be able to see this line over here between two videos. Now just tap on that line, then here you can see different transitions that are available in the application. Now for directly to search for light beam transition, you can just tap on the search bar and look for light beam transition over here. And here you can see the very first option as the light beam transition. Tap on that. And if you want the transition for all of the video split, then you can tap on apply to all as well. You can select the duration of the transition as well over here by dragging it to the right or to the left. Then tap on cancel, then tap on tick mark, and you can see the video over here. The transition has been set. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.